Welcome. If you're concerned about your privacy and want to stop Google Chrome from accessing your microphone on your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest method to prevent microphone access for the Google Chrome app on your device. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's settings. This is where you control permissions for all your apps, including Google Chrome. Next, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps, or it might be called App Management on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list and find Google Chrome. Once you spot it, tap on the Chrome icon to open its settings. Inside the Chrome app settings, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. This section shows you all the features Chrome can access, like your camera, location, and of course, your microphone. Find Microphone in the list of permissions. Tap on Microphone, and then select Don't Allow or Deny. This will block Chrome from using your microphone, even if a website or service asks for access. And that's it. You've now successfully prevented Google Chrome from accessing your microphone on your phone. This simple change can help protect your privacy and give you more control over what information your apps can access. If you ever need to re-enable microphone access for Chrome, just follow these same steps and choose Allow instead. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might want to keep their privacy in check. Stay safe and see you next time.